What's up, YouTube family? It's Joey Online Moneymaker. I'm bringing you info about Lionshare. In this video, I will cover the reasons why and how to join. I've been getting asked a lot of questions about getting set up. Sorry, you got my cat in the background meowing. But I've been getting asked a lot of questions about what wallets to use, how to purchase Ethereum, stuff like that. So those are the things I'm going to go over in this video. So stay tuned and I'll get you guys set up and ready to go. First, we're going to start with why to join. Why to join Lionshare. Lionshare is a brand new Ethereum smart contract. Just launched like a week ago. I think it's roughly a week ago now. So it's brand new. If you get in now, you'll be getting in on the ground floor. Anybody that's in smart contracts knows the reasons why you need to get in this early. Lionshare is decentralized. It's 100% transparent. This company can never go away because it's a smart contract that is written on the blockchain technology. As long as there is Ethereum, this will be here. Commissions are paid right to your wallet. No middleman, no waiting for paydays, nothing like that. Just commissions paid directly to your wallet. You will never miss a commission payment because it goes right to your wallet. The number one reason why to join Lionshare is the minimal low entry fee. It's roughly around $10. I say roughly because of gas fees. Anybody who's ever done a smart contract knows that there's gas fees involved. Some days they're low, some days they're high. It just all kind of depends on where you're at. Now we're going to go over the compensation plan here. Scroll up here a little bit. Alright, the way this works is you'll buy in for 0.04 Ethereum, and when you buy in, you will get a number 1 spot in the L1 and a number 1 spot in the L2. The L1 is your direct commissions. L2 is for team building. As you can see, there's a lot more in this matrix on the team build. So the way this works is when you refer somebody, you'll get the commission here, and you'll get the commission here for the second person you refer. And the third person that you refer, it'll cycle this whole matrix and start all over, and this payment will go directly to your upline. And it reopens this matrix up for you. So it's constant. You'll never max out. You can always level up. You can always do everything that you want. The compensation plan on the L2 works like this. You'll refer somebody and they'll go right here. The second person you refer will go right here. And these two payments right here will go up the line to somebody. Not necessarily your direct upline, but to somebody higher above you. Now commissions 3, 4, and 5 will go directly to you. And commission 6 will go directly to your upline, reopening this whole matrix again for you. As you can see, I have this orange here, right here. That's overflow. Overflow is when somebody signs up and they go, like on this one it was level 2, so they purchased level 2 and it went up the line. Remember how I told you that these two go up the line? That's what happened here. And it works the same on all these matrices. Level 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now when you level up, it's going to double in price every time. And the reason I like Lionshare is that you have to purchase, you can only go 2 above your L1. So they designed it to where people can't just come in here, level all the way up on L2 and get a bunch of spillover. You have to level up your L1 and support your direct upline, which is pretty amazing. So it's kind of a breakdown on how the wallets work. If you have any questions, you feel free to comment down below or hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link to my Facebook down below. and you can ask me any questions you need. Now, in order to get started, you must have an Ethereum wallet. A lot of people's tried to come in and they don't understand that you need an Ethereum wallet. You must have an Ethereum wallet. And the compatible wallets vary by your devices. iPhone users, you need to download this Coinbase wallet from the app. I call it the App Store, Play Store, whatever it's called on iPhone. I'm not entirely sure. I'm pretty sure it's App Store. But this is the one you need, the blue one. Make sure you get the blue one. It works out great. You just have to go into your App Store, download it, open it up, create a wallet. Now, Android users, it's going to be the same thing, but you need Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet works great for every Android device, whether it be a tablet, phone, whatever it may be. Trust Wallet. PC users, you need to use MetaMask. You just install this right on your computer, install it, open it up, create an Ethereum wallet, and you're good to go there. Pretty simple stuff. Now, after you've done that, now you must purchase Ethereum to put into the program. Purchasing Ethereum is fairly easy, no matter where you're at in the world. You can Google where to purchase Ethereum in your country, in your state, wherever you may be, and it should give you plenty of options. I use Coinbase. Coinbase is a great option. Anybody can do it. And if you have Bitcoin or you have Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, something like that, you convert it into Ethereum right here in Coinbase. I love Coinbase. Coinbase is awesome. If you don't have Coinbase and you want to use that, I'll put a link down below and you can join there. Another one in different places is CoinMama. CoinMama is a great place if you're not in the United States. The United States is not supported for CoinMama, but most other countries are. It's another great option. Go in here, sign up, and you're good to go. Now, signing up with Lionshare, after you have Ethereum and you get your link from your sponsor, whoever it may be, you're going to get put right here on this website. All you're going to have to do from here is you're going to have to go here to the Join Now. You can click it up here, or you can click it right here. However you want to go about it, I'll click right here. It'll pull you up right here. Once you get to this point, you're going to head over and you're going to hit purchase, and it's going to, sorry, short of breath here. You're going to hit purchase, and when you hit purchase, if you're on PC, it's going to pull down your MetaMask, and you're going to have to confirm your purchase. Once you confirm it, you're going to be good to go. Let's see if it'll do it here. It might not let me. Oh, yep, there we go. There we go, just like that. Here, let's see if I can scoot. Oh, no, it's not going to let me show it because it's my wallet. But anyways, you'll authorize it, and you'll be good to go. Let me reject this real quick. Yep, because I rejected it. They'll say that because you rejected it. Now, if you're going to use iPhone or Android, you're going to have to go to the DApp browser inside your wallet. I think on Trust Wallet, it's 4 little squares down at the bottom. You'll click on that. It'll open up a browser just like this, and you'll copy and paste your affiliate, your sponsor's link into that DApp browser, and it'll open it up. Same thing. It'll bring you right here. It'll bring you right here when you sign up right there. So that's how you sign up. If you decide to sign up with me, I'm part of a great team called the Power Pride team. Let's see if I can pull it up on Facebook here. Here we go. Here we are. Yep, we're the Power Pride Crypto Millionaires right here. We have a team rotator that if you join, get a hold of us. Like I said, through my Facebook, there will be a link down below, or I'll post my email down below. You can hit me up on there, and I'll add your affiliate link to the team rotator, and everybody in the team will just promote your rotator. Everybody on the team promotes one link, and the sign up just kind of randomly goes to whoever's up next in the rotator. People sign up, and it goes to whoever that rotator decides to pull up at that time. So that's pretty much the breakdown on what you're going to do here, how you're going to sign up, what wallets to use. Once again, the wallets you're going to need are, for PC users, you're going to need MetaMask. There's another picture of it. For Android users, you're going to need Trust Wallet. There's a picture of it. For iPhone users, you're going to need the Coinbase wallet. There's a picture of it. And that's pretty much how you get started with Lionshare. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, and you can earn pretty much unlimited Ethereum just by joining. So I highly suggest joining Lionshare with my team. Get put in that rotator, have our team build up your team, and get you guys going right on the right track. It's pretty amazing. You can add me on Facebook. There I am right there. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description, and we can get you guys going. It'll be pretty simple, pretty fun, and I hope to welcome you to the team. Have a good day, guys.